When a customer clicks cancel, the reason they give is your best clue to keeping them. Too expensive wants a discount. A missing feature wants a conversation. Let's send each reason to the save that fits. Here's a cancellation journey. It opens by asking why they're leaving, then branches from there. Open the reason step. It captures why they're leaving and decides where they go next. This is reasons and routing. Out of the box, every reason takes one path, a single offer for everyone. Switch to route by reason, and every answer gets its own destination. Now you steer each one. Because a step is the offer, routing a reason is choosing its save, a price objection to your discount, a technical issue to support, someone who's truly done straight to cancel. No wasted discounts, no dead ends. Save, and your cancel flow finally listens. Every reason answered with the retention path most likely to keep that customer. That's reason-based routing, a cancellation flow that reads why and responds with the right save. Fewer goodbyes and more subscriptions kept. There's more in the docs whenever you want to go deeper.